The 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.